Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming account and access because most failures come from permission mismatches. Sign into the exact Google account tied to the class. Once done, open the assignment link. Inspect the file owner and sharing settings. Make sure you have View or Edit. Also check file location. Items in Google Drive trash or a deleted folder won't open. Finally, confirm the file type is supported by Google Classroom and that size or conversion limits aren't blocking the load. Next, address the environment because connectivity and browser state often cause load failures. You should reload the page after verifying your internet is stable. If slow, switch networks or tether to your phone. Once connected, clear the browser cache and cookies or open an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Make sure your browser is up to date. If problems persist, disable extensions, then test the file in a different browser. These steps remove common software side blockers efficiently. Finish by ensuring Drive and Classroom communicate properly. If you use backup and sync or Drive for desktop, force a sync and wait for completion. If errors persist, upload a fresh copy into Drive and attach it again. Ask the file owner to reshare using a direct link or set sharing to anyone with link for troubleshooting. If that still fails, restart your device and test the Classroom mobile app. If nothing works, capture screenshots and error messages to provide focused details to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.